Hey, welcome to Outdoor Beane. Yeah, I got a good one for you here today. I'm going over the Twin Pond Trail. It's a short trail. It's about zero point 0.6 of a mile. And there's some fishing going on there. So if you like fishing, you check it out. And there's some other trails in the area. I've actually got some footage of getting on the greenway. And I go look at a observation deck. So I'll show you that here in a little bit coming up. But it's definitely a cute trail to check out. Like I said, it's short, but there's other trails in the area. And you would want to park at the Gibson Park, and that's located at 5207 Wendover Avenue, Jamestown, North Carolina, or North Catalaki, either how you like it. I like saying North Catalaki myself. But all right, guys, I love y'all. I hope y'all enjoy. Like and subscribe. Let me know of some places in North Carolina you'd like me to do some trail reviews of in the comments. Until next time, guys, be safe and go hiking.